back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. Of course, the links to all the pages I share are linked directly in the YouTube description box below this video. And I do just want to ask that if you find this job lead helpful, please give this video a thumbs up like button. That does give me direct feedback that I am being helpful to someone. And feel free to pass this video along, sharing with all your friends and family so we can all work from home, living our happiest, healthiest life. But today's job lead is from the company Amplifier. Now, Amplifier only has 41 reviews on Glassdoor, so as always, please do your own research on any companies that I share before giving them your personal information. But out of those 41 people who have reviewed them that are current and past employees, they do come in at a satisfaction rate of 4.4 out of 5 stars. They are hiring a senior solutions-driven customer support specialist. Now, this is remote work from home for the United States as well as Canada, but their business hours are Pacific Standard Time, so make sure you convert your time zone to those hours to see if that will work for you. But this is a basic customer service position, but they're specifically looking for somebody to do tickets and their online community. So they want somebody to manage the open customer support tickets with their help desk software. You'll also moderate their private online community, encouraging quality discussion between their users and making sure that any issues that come up are correctly taken care of. You'll help on the webinars and training, making sure that those run smoothly and the engagement is as much as possible, being the bridge between the users and the development and product team. So you'll make sure the customers can find any training topics they need, helping provide all the instructions and advice to their clients in advance. Now, they are not requiring any kind of college degree. They do want somebody who is process driven, who knows how to follow defined processes and routine, someone who seeks out improvements. You like the process, but you want to see if you can improve them. Somebody who has a positive mindset and can be coachable, so you'll take that feedback and make improvements with yourself. You have to be both a self-starter and be able to work in a team-oriented, and someone who has previous experience in marketing and is tech savvy. Now, pay is listed all the way down at the bottom, but salary range is going to be dependent on location and experience you bring to the table, but ranges anywhere from $1,500 a month all the way up to $3,000 a month. This is a full-time position, but it is a contract position, so it is not a W-2 employed position. All right, if this job lead was not for you, that's absolutely okay. Always feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. Even if I'm not always responding to those, I do read those and keep that in mind. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.